Airplanes. I love airplanes. I want to fly one someday. I like to build airplanes. I put them in my room. I like to read about airplanes. I have a lot of books. I like to draw airplanes. I hang up my pictures. I like to look at airplanes. I have a lot of posters. I can even make paper airplanes. They really fly. I show my class. Everyone makes an airplane. Miss Locke says we can study airplanes. She says I can help teach. Where do the toy airplanes get put once they are built? What do you think will happen when the class studies airplanes?